Hello, welcome back to the channel. Today, we'll dive right into how to enable dark mode in Trello, the latest 2025 guide. First, you need to open your Trello app. This is where it all starts. The reason we do this is because the app is where you'll find the settings needed to change the theme. Next up, look for the Settings tab, which is usually located either at the bottom right or the top right corner, depending on your device. This is where you can customize your Trello experience, including changing to dark mode. Once there, scroll down until you find the Appearance option. Click on it. The Appearance option houses all the theme settings for Trello, including the much-anticipated dark mode. In the Appearance menu, you will see the Theme option. Click on it. This is where you can switch between light mode and dark mode. When you click on Theme, you'll see two options, light and dark. Finally, select Dark. Once you do this, your Trello app will immediately switch to dark mode. The reason we do this is to reduce eye strain, especially when using Trello at night or in low light conditions. Now that we've done that, let me explain why this matters. Dark mode is more than just a cool aesthetic. It's designed to reduce the light emitted by your device's screen while maintaining the minimum color contrast ratios required for readability, providing a more comfortable nighttime browsing experience. So, there you have it. That's how you enable dark mode in Trello. It's a simple yet impactful way to customize your Trello experience while taking care of your eyes. Enjoy the dark side. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you in the next tutorial.